This chapter is about scene overlap function. By using the overlap function, we can line up the fixtures one by one instead of all light up at the same time. Select fixtures and press locate to light up fixtures. Press store, press the first scene button. After storing, press clear. Click on the scene. Enter two scenes editing interface. First, we click on the scene number. Press and hold on the scroll bar and slide it to the right. Overlap default value is 100, which means there is no overlap effect. Select overlap, then click setup. Let's set 0. Press and hold on the scroll bar and slide it to the left. Click fade in. Click setup and set 1 second. Pushing out the fader. The light fixture starts to perform the overlapping effect. From turning on and off the lights together at the beginning, it became turning on and off one by one. If we don't want fade out with overlapping effect, click fade out. Click setup and set 0. Pushing out the fader. The fixtures light up one by one and then turn off at the same time. We can switch overlapping direction. Which's default is shown go clockwise. Click setup. Select anti-clockwise. Pushing out the fader. The fixtures will execute the overlap effect in the opposite direction. Click setup and select clockwise. Click overlapping wings. Click setup and set 2. Pushing out the fader. The fixtures are mirror symmetrically overlapped. Click setup and set 0 for overlapping wings. Click overlapping blocks. Click setup and set 2. Pushing out the fader. To perform an overlapping effect by lighting the fixtures together. Click setup and set 0 for overlapping blocks. Click overlapping groups. Click setup and set 2. Pushing out the fader. The fixtures with odd numbers light up first, then the fixtures with even numbers light up. Click setup and set 5 for overlapping groups. Pushing out the fader. Fixtures divided into 2 groups, each 5 fixtures in a group. Click setup and set 0 for overlapping groups. The overlapping function of the fixture can be used with the fader mod. Click fade in. Click setup and set 0. Click fade mod. Select control gradient. Deselect control dimming. Pushing out the fader halfway. The fixtures will be half lit only. Pushing out the fader to the top. All fixtures will light up. Pulling down the fader to the bottom. All fixtures will turn off. Therefore, the overlapping function of the fixture can be used with the fade mod function. Let's look at the other options in fade mod. Click control dimming. Let's click on the 7th scene. Click fade mod and select control dimming. Pushing out the fader. The fader can control the brightness of the fixture. When the fader is pushed halfway, the fixture is only half bright. Select the beam light. Press locate to light up. Click position attribute. Rotating encoder will be to adjust tilt position. Press store button, then click the 9th scene button. Rotating encoder will be to adjust tilt position. Press store button, then click the 10th scene button. Press clear. Click on the 10th scene. Select control gradient. Deselect control dimming. Pushing up the 9th fader. Then pushing up the 10th fader. The fader can control the position of the beam movement. We can use this method to create a light chasing effect. Press clear. Let's store a scene. Select fixtures and press locate. Click shape. Click on the shape T circle. Press store button. Press the 2nd scene button. Press clear. Click on the 2nd scene. Click Fade Mode. Select Control Effect Amplitude. Deselect Control Dimming. Pushing out the second fader. The amplitude of the fixture operation changes according to the position of the fader. Pull down the fader. Select Control Effect Speed. Deselect Control Effect Amplitude. The speed of the fixture operation changes according to the position of the fader. The above content is the overlapping function of the scene.